student, today we are going to learn what do you mean by jig and fixture. Jig and fixture are manufacturing tools that are used to produce identical একই ধরনের and interchangeable component. Jig and fixture are work holding and tool guiding device and designed for use in the machining and assembly of part. What is the advantages of jig and fixture? Advantages of jig and fixture: number 1, increase production; number 2, decrease manufacturing cost; number 3, interchangeability and accuracy; number 4, a reduction in non-productive hours. Okay, now what is jig? This is the one type of jig. This is workpiece. Workpiece is holding in this way and tool is guide in this way. A jig is a device which hold a component and locate it for a specific operation and guide the cutting tool always to the same location where the particular operation will be performed. Jig are tools that hold a cutting tool in place and guide as it performs a repetitive task like drilling, tapping hole, etc. Example of jig: template jig, plate jig, channel jig, diameter jig, etc. Okay. Now what is fixture? This is the figure of a fixture. This is the workpiece, this is the tool. Here only workpiece are held in a particular location. Tool are not guided. So a fixture is a device which hold and locate the job but which does not guide the cutting tool. Fixture do not guide a cutting tool but hold a workpiece in a fixed position, orientation and location. Example of fixture: turning fixture, milling fixture, indexing fixture, etc. Okay.